In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your domain emails using your Gmail account so you can seamlessly send and receive emails. To get started, let's open up your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, head over to the upper right corner and click on the gear icon representing Settings. This will bring up a drop-down menu where we will select See All Settings to access more detailed options for configuration. In the Settings menu, look for the tab labelled Accounts and Import. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage all accounts associated with your Gmail. Within this tab, you will find a button that says Add Another Email Address. Clicking this will allow us to add your custom domain email. A window will pop up asking for your name, and this is how your name will appear to your recipients when you send emails from your custom domain, so make sure to enter your name as you would like it displayed. Following this, you'll be prompted to enter the email address you created with your custom domain. Carefully enter this information, as any typos will prevent proper setup. Next, click on Next Step to proceed with configuring your SMTP server settings. The SMTP server is responsible for sending emails, and you'll need to input the correct server information associated with your domain provider. If you're using your own domain, make sure you have your SMTP server address ready to enter. Most often, this will include details on the port number, which is typically either 465 or 587, so have those handy just in case. Your username will be your Gmail address, and you'll need to enter a password. Depending on whether you have two-factor authentication enabled, this could be your Gmail password or an app-specific password, so be sure to check your security settings if needed. Once you've correctly filled out all these details, click on Add Account. Depending on your domain provider, you might have to go through a quick verification process to ensure that you own the domain email address. This can sometimes involve receiving a verification code sent to this email, so keep an eye out for that. After your email address is verified, you'll be able to select it as an option when composing emails. Now, whenever you want to send an email from your custom domain, you will see a drop down when composing a new email where you can select your custom domain as the sender. And that's it, you can now send and receive emails using your domain email right from your Gmail account. This seamless integration means you can manage all your emails from one place without having to jump between multiple accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.